some fishing again, see what I can catch. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I'm sure they enjoyed yesterday's fishing. And I'll get back to you guys as soon as I start catching some of these early spring bass, hopefully, even though we got very, very windy conditions today. But temperature is 82 degrees, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm headed back to this little spot where I was fishing yesterday. This little pond here is public fishing, but there's one of the residents that live here. He really doesn't care too much for people fishing out here, and he has put signs up saying no trespassing, but he doesn't own this lake or this pond. It's actually a lake. It's called Matthews Lake, and he doesn't own it. And I've heard from plenty of the other residents that it's okay to fish in the area out here that I want. So why not fish it? You know, I'm not gonna stray just because of one person doesn't want me to fish, and there's one little sign which is on the other side and it's facing the road. So I don't bother anybody. You know, I always put the fish back and respect the property and make sure everything's clean. That's what you're supposed to do, especially residential areas and the ponds that they could possibly be private, which this one is not. But keep it clean and keep fishing and return the fish back to the natural waters, and I think there shouldn't be any problem. So like I was saying, I'm heading back over there. I was catching fish yesterday. Hopefully I can catch a few more today. Almost identical conditions. It's a slight bit hotter, maybe 10 degrees hotter, warmer than it was yesterday, and it's a whole lot more windier. So we'll see what we can do. I might stop here for a second or two, see if I can catch a few. You know, actually I will. I'll go ahead and do that. Let's see what I can catch here. Look at that. Oh, not a bad fish. Oh. Skinny guy, but nonetheless it's still a bass. He really hit it hard. He just sucked it in, kind of. Get this guy unhooked, and looks like he's starting to bleed a little bit. Definitely don't want to hurt him. See what I can get down here. Just got back. There we go. Little guys, bleeding a little bit, but get back in there. That was the first cast over here. crappie there.